The Prophet ﷺ, when he was walking in the masjid, he found a rope hanging in the masjid, and he said, whose rope? Who does this rope belong to? And they told him, Ya Rasulullah, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that rope belongs to Zainab, his wife. His answer was not, what is she doing in the masjid? No, this was normal that she was in the masjid. Just take that and put that on the side and keep that in mind. But rather his answer was, when she's praying and at night and she tires, she holds onto it so she won't fall over. La ilaha illallah. He said, take it down. When she's praying and she's tired, let her sit. The ulama of hadith have explained this in one of two ways, in two different ways. One is, if you are tired, rest. Take a little nap and then come back to the prayer. And others have said, sit. Continue the prayer, but sit. Ya Allah, how much do we have to go deeply to understand the benefit and importance of tahajjud?